Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Yes you can. Guys, you are a student or you are doing a job in any field or business, and whatever field you are in, you must have wanted to be a successful person in that field. But you are failing to do so. Then today's video is only and only for you. Today I will boost your spirits through the best motivational quotes. These quotes have been given by those great men who have achieved success by following these paths. Stay connected with us till the end of the video. Many people are waiting for opportunity. That when opportunity will come to me by itself. If you are also doing this, stop doing it now. If you want to achieve some position in your life, don't wait for your searching opportunity. Create your own opportunity. Intelligence without ambition is a word without wings. So fix your goal and do work hard to achieve your goal. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. Don't worry about being successful, but work towards being significant, and the success will be naturally follow. If you don't help you to help yourself, then nobody in the world can help you to help yourself. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Success in business requires training, discipline and hard work. Wake up every day with a desire to succeed. I will succeed in life, not immediately, but definitely. 6 months of focus and hard work can put you 5 years ahead in life. Don't underestimate the power of consistency and desire. Far and away, the best prize that life offers is a chance to work hard at work worth doing. The secret of business is to know something that nobody else knows. If you are willing to do more than you are paid to do, eventually you will pay to do more than you do. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. There are no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. You can read and study all the books of the world, but if you don't believe in yourself, it's all in vain. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. So you should do hard work. Believe in yourself and all that you are. That is greater than any obstacle. You can't change your future, but you can change your habit, and surely your habits will change your future. Continuous efforts, not strength or intelligence. It is the key to unlocking our potential. Life is too short to start your day with broken piece of yesterday. It will definitely destroy your wonderful day and ruin your great tomorrow. Believe in yourself. Push your limits. Experience life. Conquer your goals and be happy. Worrying is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you anywhere anonymous. Two things prevent us from happiness: living in the past and observing others. Study like there are no tomorrow, because if you keep putting off your study for tomorrow, you will probably too late. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. You can't have a better tomorrow if you are still thinking about yesterday. So focus on your goal to achieve the success of life. I hope you like this video. Please tell me by commenting, and to see more such motivational thoughts, subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification of upcoming new video. See you soon with a new thoughts, a new story. Always be positive, always smiling, and keep laughing. Bye, take care and stay healthy.